Now we move into the third page, and there was there is not a single nut left. Another said, someone has been here earlier. So the five boys talking each other, and they decided that someone comes here before us, and someone has been here earlier than us, and they collect all the nuts here. And almost in unison the boys cried out. It means unison means here all together. Five boys speak all together, and they speak together. The artist I have seen that, and artist he must have been here. One boy added here, and among the five boys here, one boy said that I have seen that artist here will come before us, and he is always up before dawn for prayer here, because artist is a boy who gets up early in the morning and collected all the nuts. And also Atis goes for the mosque for the morning prayer. So Atis must be here. They were thinking here like this, because Atis gets up early in the morning and go for the morning prayer, and no another voice comes here into the mosque before Atis here. So they assumption that here might be Atis will hear. And look, one of the boys said, pointing to a most patch of dew under a tree, his footprint here. And one boy said, look at the footprint of uh, leg here. So it might be the footprint is like Atis here. So Atis must be here. So he must have just left with the nurse. And Atis, before we reach here, Atis left this place by collecting all the nurse. So might be Atis was here before us, and we can catch him and take the nuts from him. So one boy decided that we will take all the nuts Atis has gathered here from him and catch him, because we want that nuts here. But what happened here? The eldest boy said that the eldest boy looked thoughtful, and the big boy here, the eldest boy decided that we will thinking for what to do here, and finally he said, no, that is unfair. This is not good. Unfair means that is not good. We take all the nuts from him, and he got up early to go to the mosque and get here before us, while we were snugly asleep here. It means Atish comes here before us, and Atish gets up early in the morning and goes into the mosque and comes here before us, and we were snugly asleep here. It means we take our sleep, and Atish gets up early in the morning and reach here before us. So it is good idea, and if we want a nut, we did better gets up early instead of taking his nuts away from him. It means this is not good here. We take nuts from other. Someone collect the nuts, and we catch all the nuts from him. This is not good, because we want the nuts, so we also have to get up early in the morning before Atis. Before Atis gets up, we have to get up before Atis in the morning, and before Atis reach here in a nut hill. So before the Atis, we have to reach here before the Atis to collect all the nuts. So we should not take nuts from Atis. They know that Atis is a small boy, and they will take all the nuts from him. But the elder boy said that this is not good. We take all the nuts from him, and the other boys look at him sheepishly. And sheepishly means here they feel shameful here. They feel shameful because they were not going to do right things here. So they knew that if they hadn't been lazy, they had nuts of their own, and they were thinking that if we were comes early before Atish, so we will collect all the nuts. So on hearing this, Atish was deeply moved here, and suddenly he stood up and called after the boys. And when here the five boys were decided we will not do anything to Atis, and this is not good for them for taking all the nuts. And the Atis came out from the bushes and appeared before that five boys, and they Atis talked to five boys. The boy stopped and turned toward Atish and astonished. It means surprisingly Atish appeared before these five boys and said, breathing deeply, Atish said, I am sorry I took all the nuts here. It means Atish also feel sorry for he had collected all the nuts before anyone reached here, and this is not also good. We collect all the nuts because the tree is not only for the artists here. The tree give food for all the human being, for all the villager, and each and every people will take this mooncake here. Whatever we need the food, whatever the mooncake we need, we take. This is a good thing. But here Atish collected all the nuts and not a single nuts left there for the another people here. So Atish also feel astonished here and deeply so ask beg sorry to this five boys. And here you take some. After all, we were friends and we should share what we have. Atish, a one good idea uh, comes in Atish's mind, and he said to five boys, I have lots of mooncake. So if you want to take from me, you can take, because we should have to share each and everything with other, and this is the food, and we must have to share this food among our friends. We also have to give food, and we also have to share each and everything with our friend, with our relative. So here Atish was ready to give this mooncake to these five boys, but five boys said that the five looked first at Atish and then thank each other here. First they five boys show to the artist and say that we will thinking for what to do here, and they said thank you to artist.